Few muscle cars command the respect and admiration of enthusiasts quite like the 1970s Chevrolet Chevelle. Known as one of the most celebrated American classics, the Chevelle reached its peak in style and performance during this era. Today, restomods are taking the collector car market by storm, blending timeless design with modern-day performance and comfort. Among them, one particular build stands out, a 1970 Chevy Chevelle Convertible Restomod that combines drop-dead gorgeous looks with an unexpected powerhouse hidden under the hood. At first glance, this Chevelle captures attention effortlessly. Finished in a sleek gray paint, accented with silver center stripes, and rolling on custom Forgeline wheels, it delivers presence without unnecessary flash. The proportions, stance, and sharp lines remain faithful to the 1970 design, enhanced by subtle touches that make it both aggressive and elegant. But what lies under the cowl hood is where the true magic happens. Instead of the big block engine purists might expect, this Restomod houses a GM LS3 V8 engine paired with a Whipple supercharger, unleashing a staggering 679 horsepower. That's nearly double the output of the original muscle machine, placing it in modern supercar territory. Power is sent through a 4L60E 4-speed automatic transmission to a Ford 9-inch rear end with 3.73 gears, ensuring strong acceleration and durability. This build wasn't just about power, it's about usability. Thanks to a roadster shop frame, modern power steering, and four-wheel disc brakes with drilled and slotted rotors, the Chevelle offers handling and stopping power far beyond what was possible in 1970. The builders spared no detail, conducting a full frame-off rotisserie restoration. Every inch of the car was stripped, refinished, and rebuilt to ensure it performs as well as it looks. Stainless mandrel bent exhaust, new fuel and brake lines, fresh hardware, and a new gas tank prove that this wasn't a cosmetic-only job. Visually, the stance is perfect. The rear arches were tubbed to fit massive 335/30 R20 tires, while 19-inch wheels in the front balance the look. The result is an aggressive muscle car that grips the road with confidence while retaining its vintage charm. Step inside, and the same philosophy continues. The black vinyl cabin remains faithful to the Chevelle's heritage, with bucket seats, a rear bench, and a center console featuring a classic staple shifter. Yet, modern upgrades ensure comfort and livability. Vintage air conditioning, modern gauges, and an improved factory-style radio make cruising far more enjoyable. A 3-spoke rally wheel, tilt column, and fresh carpeting highlight the meticulous attention to detail. The combination of classic design and modern engineering is exactly what makes Restomod so appealing in today's market. While purists may argue for originality, many collectors and drivers seek cars they can actually enjoy on the road. This 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle Convertible Restomod, with nearly 700 horsepower, updated suspension, and creature comforts, strikes the perfect balance between heritage and performance. At a listed price of $299,900, this Restomod isn't for casual buyers. It's aimed squarely at serious collectors who understand both its craftsmanship and performance. According to Classic.com, Chevelles of this era average about $103,000, with the most expensive recent sale hitting $360,000 in 2024. This particular build, however, sits at the upper echelon thanks to its flawless restoration and cutting-edge upgrades. Ultimately, this 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle Convertible Restomod is more than a car. It's a statement. It shows that the golden era of American muscle can coexist with today's performance and reliability standards. It looks like 1970, but drives like a modern supercar, making it one of the most desirable builds on the market today.